Did you know that America produces nearly 1 million bags of potato chips every single day? But how does it really happen? Today, Inside Production US is taking you deep inside one of America's biggest potato chip factories,
where America's biggest factories open their doors.
where every potato becomes a crispy snack, one chip at a time. Let's step inside and see how it's really made.
Today, America's Potato Chips Factory.
Every bag of chips starts in vast potato farms across the United States, mainly in Idaho and Wisconsin. Within 12 hours of harvesting, potatoes are loaded into trucks and transported straight to the factory. But before they become chips, they must pass the first big test: quality inspection.
Good morning. Manifest and driver's license, please.
Here they are.
Thank you. Everything is in order.
Surgical-grade blades slice thousands of potatoes every minute. Every slice must be perfectly thin, because even 1 millimeter difference can change taste and crispiness. Too thick? Rejected. Too soft? Rejected. Only the perfect slices move forward. Now the real magic begins. The chips are dropped into hot oil at precisely 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Not 349, not 351, exactly 350. Why? Because that's the level that gives the perfect golden crisp. Every batch is tested with advanced sensors, but still, a human taste tester decides the final fate. If they say no, everything goes back. Next comes the part that Americans love the most: flavor. From classic salted to barbecue to sour cream and onion, American factories produce over 25 flavors every day. Machines print packaging at 20 bags per second. Robots weigh them, seal them, and pack them into boxes. From here, they travel to supermarkets all across the USA. And that is how America turns fresh potatoes into the crispy chips you eat every day. Which factory should we visit next? Coca-Cola? Tesla? Chocolate? Ice cream? Tell us in the comments. and Inside Production US will open the doors for you. Until next time, this is IPU signing off.
Okay, easy on the left. Set it down right there and grab the strap.
Copy that. Securing the load now.
This pallet is secured. You are good to roll.
Red 34, you're good to go. Blue 42, back it in Bay 5.
Good night, everyone.
See you later.
I am so ready for the weekend.
Me too. See you Monday.
Are we still on for dinner tonight?
Absolutely. I'll meet you there right after.
Don't forget your lunchbox there.
Thanks, I almost left it. Are we still on for tomorrow?
You know. See you tomorrow, all right?
Yeah, have a good night.
Finally finished. Ready for the weekend.
Me too. See you Monday.
Finally done.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
It was a good day's work. Yes, see you tomorrow, everyone.
Drive safe.
Another successful day here at the plant.
We really pulled together this week.